Hello guys, this is your boy DEFI again, and what I'm looking at is DeFi Staking Platform, day number 14. Actually guys, I'm gonna be interchanging between the two sites. There is the original URL and there is the backup URL that was got when we had all that shit that was happening yesterday. So let me see here. So this is the original URL, dsptoken.io, and this is the backup URL. So what I'm seeing here is that it doesn't show the divs. Actually the auction ended but doesn't show the divs here. If I'm also to go to the original URL, the auction has also ended around 8 minutes ago and doesn't also show the divs here. So I don't know what's happening. And if I'm to go to the Telegram channel here, I saw some people were complaining about it here. They were complaining about it here also. And maybe it is just a simple glitch in the original URL and never know it might come back. But that's it. So, and here, even if I'm to refresh here, it doesn't show that DSP balance. That's the original URL. But in the backup URL here, it shows the URL. If I'm to refresh here, guys, you can see that. So the backup URL shows the DSP balance and also shows zeros in the divs, while in the original URL doesn't show the DSP balance and shows nothing also in the div section. So this one shows my ended stakes. You guys were panicked and almost all of us had to end our stakes in order to protect our Tron, the dividends we had earned. So we sacrificed to lose half the DSP tokens we had in order to keep the divs that we had accumulated. So we had some, like for me, I had some big Tron that I had accumulated here in terms of divs. So that's it. So maybe let us wait as the day goes on and we see how we shall manage to move on. But this auction, guys, the auction ended 11 million. The auction ended in 11 million, guys. This is incredible. You look here. Actually, yesterday I bought some tokens. I first bought for 5,000 in the video that I shot yesterday. Then when I was about to sleep, I made up my mind and I got other 15,000. Put other 15,000 to buy some tokens. So my 20,000 has produced 4,000 DSP at rate of 0.205. So there is almost no difference compared to the other rates that were there, just because it has risen a bit. The other ones were 0.1, so it went to 0.2, which is somehow also good. So guys, so I'm going to leave both URLs in the description of the video. You can check them out. This is the original URL and also this is also the backup URL. So you can check them both, and remember to enter the auction lobby with at least someone's URL, because you need that 5% discount on the tokens that you're going to buy. So that's it, guys. Let me buy some tokens here, or let me collect, because I also have a collection here of 20,000 accept in my wallet. So it should appear in the stakes here. It should appear here. Let me check here if it will show. even here it has showed. So now both the backup URL and the original URL are showing the balance. I'm gonna stake this all 6406. How many days? Let me put it for 5 days. And we see. So it should appear here. So guys, I think that's all I had for in this video. I'll keep you updated on other developments that may come in as the day goes on. So guys, remember to use my URL link when you're buying into the auction. See you in another video.